Friends, today we will see how we can set up our campaign on Claude using a simple prompt. There's no complication, it's just a simple prompt like you would use for a query, and it will create our entire setup smartly and professionally. The campaign name will appear, and we'll check it. Our campaign has been created based on the prompt I wrote, and as you can see, our setup was ready within 3 minutes. Now let's check how professionally it has designed the campaign for us, just like we would do as human beings, fully strategy driven. The campaign setup is able to theme everything properly. It has split the ad groups and it has picked up relevant keywords for me in them. We'll look at each ad group step by step in a shortcut, fast way to see how quickly it executed everything for us and how much perfection and accuracy there is. You can see for yourself. It has created a completely proper theme. The keywords added in each ad group match exactly with the theme and the naming of that ad group. Friends, you can see how smoothly everything has worked here, and we'll check each ad group one by one. There shouldn't be any glitches or mistakes anywhere. It's perfect, absolutely spot on. You can see this yourself. Now, friends, if we were to execute this campaign ourselves, you know how much time it would take. It has created extensions for us. It has made the ads for us. Take a look. For the ads, it automatically pulled the landing page. All the headlines and descriptions have been made relevant. It even pinned what it found relevant. See how smart it is? It has even given our business name. If you check below, friends, it's doing everything for us. Look at the extensions, check the negative keywords. It has set everything up and given it to us all ready to go. If you look at the campaign level below to see which extensions we have, everything will become clear to us. These are for our campaign. This was our campaign. Below this, look at all our extensions. It has automatically designed and applied them so well, understanding the service just like a human or a professional would. And these are our negative keywords. So, friends, how did you like this execution? Please let me know by commenting.